Okay, so it's seat time. So there's a cardinal rule as being a mechanic. No matter how big your tool bench is, it'll never be big enough. So one of those laws of the universe, never ever big enough. All right, let's see what this girl looks like. Plastic seat. Interesting. Did not know that was a thing. This is a plastic seat. I've never seen that before. It's got a drain. Now that is an absolute must for a seat that's worth any amount of money. I'll take these staples. I'll jab you in this damn finger. That's the safety bracket thingamabob. Nuts and bolts. Brackets. Now, weird. We got this way, we got this way. The pivot obviously goes in the front. And the only thing that could be is it could go like that. To make it narrow, or to make it wide. Let's look at the Bible, shall we? Okay, scripture says on the outside, and it says that if I'm looking at it from the back, the safety bracket thingamabob goes on the left side with the tab in the front. So yeah, this goes on the widest, so I would say you go there, second right holes, and all the way up front. Yeah, it's like equal to that right there, so it's got to be here. Oh, wait. Pivots in front, so it's bolted. Yeah, like that. That makes sense. And then safety bracket goes on the left. Okay. We're getting there. Thread is kind of weird. Yeah, man. There we go. What's wrong with you? It's acting bizarre. And like so. Under or over? I'm thinking I'd like under, but they say over. Alright. Maybe I'll cheat. Oh, but if I do this, then my seat will be, you know, a 1/16 of an inch off, and then that might result in chiropractor bills. So let's do it this way. Strange that I got two holes that are beautiful, and I got two that are a little bit needing of persuasion. Okay. So I don't need my 10. Got my 12. Okay. So obviously I'm not using power tools on plastic. That would just be damn foolish. Yeah, man. Got a bit of a resistance to her. It's kind of weird. Okay. Oh yeah. So that's the bottom part. Now we've got the funky, nice, side rails with nothing to bolt them into. see. And it says to... Oh. So we got some holes. Yeah. And then it says to use the clips. Plastic clips. So if you're like me and you're over in a 200 pounder range, do not use these to stand up on. They will let you down. Okay, so the way this is supposed to go is I'm supposed to put these body clippy thingies here, and then put the armrests on through these holes. What I'm going to do, just to make my life easier, I think, is just to screw in. I really don't like the fact that I'm going to be screwing into the seat material. I guess there's no other way around it, but seems screwy to me. Anyway, some engineer figured this out. I guess he's paid the big bucks for a reason. Yeah. Okay. Sort of, kind of. Kind of glad I did that. All right. That looks like a right side piece to me. Not a huge fan of the finish on this bracket, but it is a better paint than the other one I was alluding to for the slow moving sign. So I'm going to leave this one black. Yep. Definitely some economy in that setup. Right, so I got my second bracket on. Yeah, so I was thinking about the hole here earlier. Very important on a seat on a tractor that, well, any tractor. It's going to allow a little bit of ventilation. So all these little ribs here allow ventilation for when it's hot and you're working outside. Some of them will have bigger ribs. That helps in the back as well. And this is for rain evacuation. So if your tractor ever gets rain and it's outside or anything like that, this needs to happen so that the water can go away. If not, you have a puddle right here. And the bad thing about that is, well, obviously when you sit down on it, you're going to have a wet butt. But the other thing is it rots the seat out. So holes in seats are a very, very good thing.